my guide during the walk from the Ubuntu cattle ranch to the gorilla camp. He explains me that due to poachers and the arrival of the ranch, the great apes have now withdrawn deep into the forest. A shame that, once again, man has managed to destroy something so wonderful, I think, but are thankful for the abundance of natural beauty that is still there. After arriving in Cameroon, tarmac is history. I wrestle on slowly, go carefully down a very steep hill and plow through deep tire tracks. At some deep ruts full of water I meet Adolf. It's an honor to be able to help you, he says, and invites me to spend the night at his hometown. When we arrive at Ayukaba, a hamlet of 5 families, I pitch my tent under a lean-to while talking to the ever-growing crowd. It's customary for us to share a kola nut when a guest arrives, the village chief says, passing me a piece of red nut. It has a sour aftertaste, and I very politely decline the offer of more. I do, however, accept the food that follows, fufu, a ball of kneaded cassava that has little taste on its own, but is okay with the spicy sauce that accompanies it. Adolf and another friend helped me get over a few obstacles, and I want to give them something in return. They don't want money, and as I don't carry anything I don't need, I write for Adolf from R1 Sjaak on a dollar bill and autograph it. When I give it to him, he drops to his knees, kisses the muddy ground several times, and prays out loud that I have a safe journey. I'm really touched.
Just focus on me. Or focus on the vehicle. And then after you do for us. Yes. What of this? What of this?
I give my video camera and my photo camera in the hands of two customers that travel with one of the taxis that have to wait as I block their route. The last few days I passed very extreme terrain. I didn't film it and regret that. With a little luck, I get usable footage now. The guys who helped me pushing belonged to a car that got stuck in the mud too. I helped them, and in return they helped me.
You want to na video, yes. You know already said everything. You're not going for touch no button. Just look at that one. This is not the motor to the button. Then go right by again.
Come on, push them up.
Then go this way. Start to play when you go start. Look out.
Somehow I lost the indicator. How could that happen? After days of struggling through muddy tracks, I'm surprised to reach this in the middle of nowhere, and no traffic to be seen. After a week of total abstinence, with the exception of a sip of palm wine from a plastic pesticide bottle, I drink 4 large bottles of Amstel to celebrate the fact that today, in the jungle, I became 40 years of age.